Everything comes, starts to break apart, and this pain that you can't escape. And this memories start to fade away, and everything comes to an end. And this life is won't break you away, and all the change that you never escape. So baby, don't go, baby, that you know that I'm your hero. And you bet that I'll never go. In this life that I'm living alone. How can you ever lie to me? And the flames are inside of me. But the metal will start to bend, and everything will come to an end. I'm walking alone in the rain, and the pain that I can't escape. And humanity will start to be shaped, and this pain that will come to an end. So you know that I'm your hero, you know that I can never let you go. And there's nothing you will know, that I'm your hero, that I'm your hero, that I'm your hero, that I'm your hero. And everything is burning to ash, yeah, that I'm your hero, yeah, and you never knew one thing you never know, that I'm your hero. I come from this earth, I come to this earth, then I let go. Everything is burning to ash, everything is starting to crash. I fought so hard in the end, but I chose my friends, and some of them died. They fought for my life. The day I rebirth is the day I take off in a spaceship and leave Earth. Everything starts to break, and this pain that you can't escape, and the memories will start to fade. And everything will come to an end. And then the stuff that you know won't break you away, and the chains that you never escape. You just gotta be brave. And every pain, you know, every day you just gotta be brave. So baby, don't go, baby, you know that I can be your hero. 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 And everything comes to an end.